there has been lots of speculation around the role of plant-based phytochemicals and our health. And there has been speculation that some of the flavonoids in cocoa might have health benefits associated with them. And I have had very high hopes for this particular work because chocolate is my drug of choice. There has been a very recent study, it's just published in April of 2002, and this is a very high quality study, which is a randomized controlled trial, which is a higher level of scientific evidence than an observational study. And observational studies come in two forms. One can have a retrospective observational study, which produces one level of data, and a slightly more rigorous approach is a prospective observational study. But then superior to all of the types of observational studies is the randomized control trial. So this was a very interesting study where over 2,000 people, which included both men and women, I think the average age group of in this study was 72 years old. And people were given capsules of cocoa extract, multivitamin and mineral capsules, or placebo capsules. So in the area of nutrition science, it's very difficult to do a randomized controlled trial because it's very difficult to hide from people what they're actually eating. But in this case, because of the nature of the capsules, of course, it was easy to do this. And very sadly, I must report that the cocoa extract showed no benefit to cognitive function over placebo in an older age group for whom cognitive function is definitely a concern, and we know that deteriorating cognitive function is a concern for individuals, but it's also a concern on a society-wide level. It did turn out that there was a small benefit to the group that took a multivitamin and mineral supplement over placebo in cognitive function, in areas of attention, short-term memory, and I think in verbal fluency as well. So the behavioral pearl that I would recommend here, I think it's very reasonable and potentially very high reward for low risk, would be to recommend that people consider taking a broad spectrum multivitamin and mineral tablet.